Hey guys, Chris here with Crypto Bee Vision, bringing you another wicked video. Today we're going to keep it nice and simple. Yes, Bitcoin dumped, the alts dumped, everything dumped. Did you have your stop losses in place? Well, I did. I had some good exits and we are looking peachy right now. But what we're going to do in this video, we're going to go over Bitcoin, the future of Bitcoin the next month and a half, projection, guys, and watch it till the end, because what else we're going to go over, we're going to do leverage trading live Binance on my Binance app. I'm actually going to place a small leverage trade on the Binance app and run you through exactly how it works to be able to trade futures on the app using your mobile. So keep watching, guys. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys. And drop me a comment if this helped you at all. And don't forget about that Telegram group, guys. We are cooking. It was called out in the Telegram group and my announcement group. Did I mention we also have a group that I've combined that you can put your referrals in, and anybody looking for an opportunity can sign up and you'll get the referral bonus. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you and your time. Let's dig into the video. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to do something a little different. I've got the Bitcoin chart up. This is my kind of prediction for Bitcoin. We just had a bit of a dump. So what we're looking at here, the way I'm seeing the future, because I've been expecting a dump since 33,000 at the highest. I actually expected it more along the lines of 23,000. So what we have here, little shoulder, little head, and I think that this is going to complete the head and shoulders, and then down. So this is a greasy head and shoulders that I got whipped up for you guys here. So I just wanted to go over this a little bit. Now, my reasoning for this is it's a clear pattern. I do think Bitcoin needs to cool off. I do think that it needs to drop to lower levels. Now, depending on how long it takes to shake out down here, if it takes a long time, I've got it February 22nd-ish to be reaching around 19,500, 20,000. I think it needs to settle and consolidate along the previous all-time high, and it needs to gain momentum again within the charts and within the business of people getting into it. So another thing we wanted to look at was the alts. So I think the alts, if this is just a slow peter down, nothing fast like this, but if it just takes its time on the way down, guys, I think you could see the alts pump a little bit and then retrace back a little bit as well. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Right now, Bitcoin just started dumping yesterday along with everything else. Luckily, I exited most of my positions in and around, I would say, the 30, well, what are we on the 4-hour chart? So that would have been about 12 hours ago. No, 16 hours ago. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was up around here right before it dropped off. No joke, guys. It was literally half an hour before it dropped off, and I was good. So now what I wanted to do with you is a special surprise. I want to go over trading leverage in the Binance app. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get my handy dandy phone out and I'm going to put it up on the screen. And oh, there it is. Would you look at that? It's already there. So what we're going to do, guys, we're in the Binance app, as you can see here. Now, with this Binance app, you have to use it. If you use a VPN, you can use it in the USA. But the first thing you want to do is we want to transfer. We're going to be trading futures in the Binance app. I'm actually going to place a trade right now with you as you're looking at my phone, actually on the other side. So, oh, over there. Okay, so what we're going to do here, guys, is what you got to do is you got to transfer. I'm only going to use about $100. So as you can see, transfer. We want to transfer from spot wallet to USDM futures. So we're going to use $106 here, guys. Nothing too major, right? Okay, so we want to transfer that. So we transfer that over, okay? Now, if you look on the bottom, we're going to go into futures. Here we go. We're looking at theta right now. But also, guys, I want to go over a couple quick things here. So in this now, with your isolated and cross, if you use cross, okay, and I have I place an order for say $50 on a long. If I am in a cross trade, it can liquidate the remaining in the available as well as whatever I enter into the trade. So we'll enter BTC, right? I always use isolated, but if you use cross, it can liquidate that 106. If you have $6 in a trade down here in the position area, if you have a $6 trade, it can liquidate that other 100 if it drops below your liquidation price. What it does is it uses the available balance to lower your liquidation price, so you don't get liquidated as easy. Now, personally, what I like to do is use isolated, because with isolated, if I have $6 in this position down here, then that's all that can get liquidated. My $100 will stay there. It's safer, but your liquidation price is a hard price. As time goes on, your liquidation price will slowly rise, and you may be charged minimal fees. I think it's like 0.25% a day if you're in a large trade. So we're going to do Bitcoin. We're going to short Bitcoin here today. So we short it, right? Sell is short, buy is long, sell it. And then you have your leverage up here, right? So I don't recommend anything higher than 5, probably 10 at the absolute max. But we're going to do a 5x short on Bitcoin. Now, depends where you want to enter. If you put this in here, guys, you can put in, 33,500 or 33,350, whatever you want in your price. So what I want to do, it's not a bad spot here, but I prefer around 34,100 would be the best. Is it going to go back up? I don't know. But on a 5x, we're going to get to see what our liquidation is here, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to isolate a 5x, and we're going to go market. So you just tap that top red one, right? Tap red one, maximum. This is how much? 26%. So if you're doing 50% of this, I'll do 50% here. And if it rises, I'll put another 50% in. But on the bottom, as you can see, your cost is 52.59 and the max is 0.016 BTC. So when you enter here, we're going to do 50% at $52, sell short. There you go. So now the position is in. And when you have this, you can see liquidation is 39,304, which is fairly close. But as you can see, guys, I have my resistance line at about 34,000. So my stop could go anywhere up there. We're only using a little bit of money. So at this point, I probably won't roll a stop. I'll risk it. And then what is next? You can adjust your leverage. I don't adjust it. So stop, profit, and loss. So this here, if it says mark price and market on the back, so you want to stop profit. So I'm going to take profit on this trade at 28,990. So 28,990. And that's your market price. It shows you how much you'll make, which is $31.20 off $52. So that's close to 60%, right? And then you can just pick how much of your position you want to actually sell at that price if and when it hits it. I'm 100%, so we are in. And if you wanted to put your stop loss on here, you just tap mark price, it turns to last price. Tap market, it turns to limit. So in here, I'm going to put my stop, we'll say just above this last wick. So let's say we put our stop at 35,594. 35,594. And then the actual sell price, I go maybe $10. So 35,604. And then I would be down $21 if it managed to hit that. So now you have open orders, right? You have one with your stop limit at 35,604 and one at your sell limit, which is still long, but that's your profit taking at 28,990. And you have your position currently, we're down almost 2%, 81.95 cents. Ooh, not so good, but we only used half of our account averaging in. Same way with dollar cost averaging in your holdings, your spot positions, you want to average in, guys. So that is basically a run through. And then if you want to close your position here, you just close, boop, click close position there. And so you can close it, and then you'll be down $1.29. Pick how much you want to close. That's for if you start getting a huge rise or a wick and you're getting too nervous, close the position, take a little bit of a loss, or take a gain. That's a quick way to exit the trade. And to adjust leverage, you can adjust it accordingly. So if you wanted to adjust it to, say, 4x, 3x, 6x. So there you go. Now we've adjusted this to 6x, and we are down more. So that's kind of how this is done in the Binance app, guys. This is how I do it. This is the only thing I do. And then and that's about it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get rid of old Binance there. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, keep an eye on the head and shoulders. I posted this in group. These are levels. So if you reject off of this and go lower, if it bounces up off of this, watch for the rejection, watch for the breakthrough of all these resistance and support levels. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your time. As always, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys. And drop me a comment if this helped you at all. We just went over a little bit of leveraging easy in the app. So thanks for being here, guys. I appreciate you, and I appreciate your time. We'll see you on the next one.